Hello, Johnson Jaguars. This is the broadcast for February 10th, 2026. This month is full of events like Valentine's Day, Black History Month, and President's Day, and Ramadan. Let's get started with the Jaguar Pledge. I am a Johnson Jaguar. I am a responsible learner. I am safe, I am respectful, and I am productive. I am a Johnson Jaguar. Roar. Be safe. You have a substitute. Be safe by staying in class and staying in your seat. Be respectful. When you have a substitute, be respectful by following directions. Be productive. When you have a substitute, be productive by staying focused on your work to keep learning. Enjoy the show. Bye.
Hi, Johnson Jaguars. I hope you guys had a wonderful 3-day break. So I have some shout outs for you. The very first one is going to go to Kyrie Moore in Miss Wright's class. He did an amazing job last week when all of our kiddos in the younger grades were testing. He did a really good job, and his teacher let us know about that. I also have a shout out for some really special helpers on the field. They were cleaning up without being asked, and they were picking up trash for all of us. So we have a beautiful campus, and that's going to be for Zaina and for Demi in Miss Erin's class. And last but not least, I also want to shout out Kevin Bonilla in Miss Galvan's class, because Miss Galvan has said that he has really stayed focused and tried to help his classmates also get focused and getting to work. So great job, Kevin. Great job, everyone. Remember, we're looking out. And teachers, if you have a shout out to give to us, we are ready for them too. All right. Have a great week, everyone.
Hi, Johnson Jaguars.
Today we're gonna play Wordle.
Star.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That's 4 letters.
Stars.
Stars, yeah. Plural.
Oh,
Dang it.
No,
you guys need to
that's
eat.
a
Put it
strikeout.
I don't even
How about
know.
mouse? We just
Oh,
talked
yeah,
about
yeah.
Mouse.
We know there's no S. But
Oh,
like
needy.
the needy.
Oh,
Like that?
Yes.
You got the E.
A weird? Is that 4? Is that?
W.
oh yeah, I got good. But
No, there's no R.
Oh yeah. There's no R. There's no
So you
R.
wanna do that one?
Or should we just do it for the letters?
I'm just so locked in. I'm trying to think.
Right?
Should we just
Me
do it
too.
for the letters?
What?
height. Yeah, height doesn't have it. Height.
That's
Mm,
H.
EIGH.
yeah.
Not enough letters.
No. A kindergartner probably already guessed it by now.
Should
we just
Welch, like Miss Welch. What do you guys
Wait,
think?
how many letters
Yeah,
is
Welch.
keeper?
Oh, GH. You should do. Oh, never mind.
No,
Like
GH.
for way,
Wait.
the word way.
Yeah, wait.
What is that?
Wait.
Wait.
W-E.
I
no
G H.
GH. Yeah.
But we tried it. Did we try G?
No.
We got it right.
GH.
Come on, guys. Cross your fingers.
Imagine if it's not a word.
Yay!
Why would it not be a word?
Congratulations.
Yippee.
Congratulations to everybody that got an award this assembly, and thank you Flying Hills for putting in all your hard work and doing this beautiful show we watched.
Hi, Johnson Jaguars! This Saturday is Valentine's Day. But if you can't celebrate it in class, that's great. But if you can celebrate it at home or with friends.
But we do have strawberry milk.
Let's pass around the Valentine's heart.
We want to give this heart to Miss Limas
Because she's very kind and nice.
I want to give this heart to Angel because sometimes we all need a little extra love, and Angel deserves it. Do you want it?
I want to give this to Miss Holly because she helps students and helps people when they are hurt.
This heart is from Miss Holly, and she wants to send you extra love. Hold that.
I want to give this heart to you because you've been kind to me for a long time. Here you go.
Thank you, buddy. Are you gonna make me cry? Can I have a hug? Thank you. I appreciate Miss Duke for teaching me in ELD.
I'm going to send this to Hadia because she does such a great job of helping her classmates and she's a wonderful student.
Miss Dukes gave Hadia a heart because she was helping her friends, and I'm her friend too. Thank you, Miss Duke, for giving Hadia a heart. Hadia wanna give this heart to Miss Ingrid because she said Miss Ingrid is good and nice and sweet.
You're welcome.
I wanna give this Valentine's heart to Miss Mayan because she's been a good assistant principal.
Thank you so much. That's so very kind of you. I appreciate you. Thank you. Mason, I wanted to give this to you because I think you're so amazing. You're always kind to everyone in your classroom, outside of your classroom, and you love to share with others. And I'm so excited to see how you get to share this heart with someone else too. Happy Valentine's.
Miss Spar, I would like to give you this heart because you're a good principal. You help kids in need, and you have a big heart.
Wow, thank you so much, Mason. That means a lot. I appreciate the compliment. Hello, Johnson Jaguars. Happy Valentine's Day to each and every one of you. I give this heart to all of you because I love you and I love Johnson.
Thanks for watching. Bye! I am a Johnson. I am a.
Hi, Saturday. Wait. It says this Saturday.
It's
Valentine's Day.
Day.
No, you're supposed to say hi, Johnson. But nothing says hi, Johnson.
Okay.